Traveling is about immersing in culture, tasting local food and living like locals. Discover enchanting US destinations in 2024, including hidden gems. Here's your guide to unforgettable trips and local experiences.
Charleston is renowned for its rich history, cobblestone streets, and southern charm. The nearby Low Country offers beautiful coastal views and vibrant culture.
Experience Southern culinary delights, known for its boutique shops and historic architecture.
Known for its vibrant music scene, unique cuisine, and lively festivals.
Enjoy the Festival International de Louisiane in Lafayette. For jazz music and Creole food, experience unique wildlife and scenery.
Zion offers stunning landscapes and hiking trails.
For breathtaking views, be prepared for a challenging trail. The shuttle bus makes accessing trailheads easier. Key West, Florida, known for its laid-back vibe, beautiful beaches, and rich history.
Oh, you got a snorkel at Dry Tortugas National Park? Explore coral reefs and marine life?
Visit the Ernest Hemingway home, a historic site with those famous six-toed cats.
And don't forget to dine at our local seafood restaurants.
Montana and Wyoming, featuring Yellowstone and Grand Teton, perfect for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts.
Visit in August for clear skies and fewer crowds.
Take a wildlife tour to see bison, elk, and wolves.
Staying in local ranches offers a cowboy lifestyle experience.
Hidden gems only locals know. Home to the planet's largest trees, Sequoia National Park offers unique natural beauty. Walk among giant sequoias like the General Sherman tree. Avoid summer crowds. Explore Boyden Caverns formations. Known as the Land of Enchantment, New Mexico offers rich culture and stunning landscapes. A scenic route with artistic communities. Enjoy clear skies and vibrant culture. Discover unique crafts and foods. Making travel unforgettable. Immerse yourself in local culture, cuisine and lifestyle. Engage with locals and explore hidden gems. Seek authentic experiences and connect with each destination. Seamlessly plan and enjoy unique experiences with Levo.com. Connect with local hosts for personalized services. Travel like a local and create unforgettable memories.